Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and exploring the surprising reason why it's becoming more confident. One of the main reasons for AI's increasing confidence is its ability to learn from its mistakes. Just like humans, AI algorithms go through a learning process where they analyze data, make predictions, and receive feedback on their accuracy. This continuous feedback loop allows AI to improve its performance over time, leading to greater confidence in its decision-making abilities. Another factor contributing to AI's confidence is the growing amount of data available for training. With the rise of big data, AI algorithms have access to vast amounts of information that can be used to make more informed decisions. This abundance of data allows AI to make predictions with greater accuracy, leading to increased confidence in its capabilities. So,
Hey there, quantum enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to share with you the 5 key concepts you need to know about quantum computing ASAP. First up, let's talk about qubits. Unlike classical bits that can only be either 0 or 1, qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to superposition. This allows quantum computers to perform complex calculations at lightning speed. Next, let's delve into entanglement. When 2 qubits become entangled, the state of one qubit instantly affects the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. This phenomenon enables quantum computers to process information in a way that was previously unimaginable. As we wrap up, remember that quantum computing is still in its early stages, but the possibilities are limitless. So, stay curious and keep exploring this exciting field. Uplifting ending sentence: the future of computing is quantum, and you're already on your way to understanding it. Keep learning and watch this space for more quantum insights.
hey there. Are you looking to consistently improve your ChatGPT performance? Well, you're in the right place. I've got 5 mindset hacks that will help you level up your chatbot game. First off, always approach each conversation with curiosity. Stay open-minded and eager to learn from every interaction. This will not only help you gather more knowledge, but also enhance your ChatGPT responses. Next, practice active listening. Pay close attention to the user's input and respond thoughtfully. This will show that you genuinely care about their needs and can provide them with more accurate and relevant information. In conclusion, remember to stay positive and patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is mastering ChatGPT. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll see significant improvements in no time. So, go ahead and apply these mindset hacks to consistently improve your ChatGPT performance. You've got this. Hey there, fellow learners. Today, I want to share with you some top habits that can help boost your confidence in machine learning. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, these tips are a must-watch. First up, Make sure to stay curious and keep exploring new concepts and techniques in the field of machine learning. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in your abilities. Secondly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Failure is a natural part of the learning process, and each mistake is an opportunity to grow and improve. Embrace challenges and push yourself out of your comfort zone. Remember, confidence in machine learning comes from consistent practice and dedication. Stay focused, stay curious, and never stop learning. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence. So, go out there and conquer the world of machine learning with confidence. You've got all the tools you need to succeed. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to boost success in neural networks. First and foremost, make sure to normalize your input data. By scaling your data to a standard range, you can improve the training process and make your neural network more efficient. Next, consider using a learning rate schedule. Adjusting the learning rate during training can help your neural network converge faster and achieve better results. Remember, it's essential to regularly monitor your neural network's performance and fine-tune the hyperparameters. Experimenting with different configurations can lead to significant improvements in accuracy and efficiency. In conclusion, with these 5 simple strategies, you can supercharge the success of your neural networks and take your projects to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Uplifting ending sentence. Keep coding, keep learning, and keep innovating.